welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're in the group chat of those that thinks that you cannot enjoy your beef curry sauce without sesame oil, soy sauce, and all other kind of sauce, to this video, because I'll be showing you exactly how you can make your sauce with no soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and all of that. Okay, you just need your favorite seasonings, your vegetables, and your favorite protein, and that's all. You can watch me closely do the magic. It's nothing complicated. It's something you can easily replicate by looking at what I'm doing on the video. Guys, I want to use this golden opportunity to invite you to my 30-day challenge. This one is not just any kind of challenge. It's actually a pre-birthday challenge for me. So I thought about the best way to celebrate my birthday, because I am in no position like to throw a very big party. So I decided to do something a little bit different, like create recipes, try out recipes, just do something fun for complete 30 days till my birthday. I thought about it really hard, and this is what I came up with. And if you're still watching at this point, please do well to tell me where you're watching me from in my comment section. I really want to know where my lovely people are watching from. Now back to the recipe. Honestly, while frying this meat, I did not really touch any of those meat. But I don't know, like the kind of miracle that happened while I was frying. I would just open my mouth and boom, one meat would just fly inside, and I would chew. Who spits out sugar from their mouth? Bon kitchen no be me teach you that one. Yeah, me. Just watch closely and learn. Honestly, guys, I'm still learning how to make peas with red bell peppers, because oh my god, I can't forget the traumatic experience I had with red bell peppers. Honestly, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to scare anybody, but oh my god, that's all I can say. But guys, you see the sweet corn? This sweet corn is a game changer. You can try adding sweet corn to your sauce. It's highly recommended from me. I highly recommend that. For our carrots, we have other interesting ways we can actually cut that, giving it this aesthetics. Before you complain that I used a lot of seasoning, wait, hold on. I didn't use up to half of it. Like, I just keep adding it little by little. Like, I was trying to season every single thing from the veggies and all of that, so that every single thing would be well seasoned, so nothing would taste bland. Like, coming together, everything is just going to bang. At this point, I don't even know between this and fried rice which one I'm going to pick, because I love the fried rice that I make myself. I have tasted fried rice like on several occasions, maybe restaurant, birthday parties, and all of that. But it wasn't really given. But whenever I tend to make it myself, I do enjoy it more. And yeah, and these two, like, recently I find myself loving this a lot, with a lot of pepper. You can see that pepper you're seeing, it's spicy. Like, I love it spiced up, and also I love it a little bit thick. Guys, see, this is what I remain from the whole meat that I fried. I'm so sorry, it's not my fault. And now we have to mix our corn flour up. This is our thickener. This is going to make everything come together well combined. And guys, make sure you don't overcook your veggies so it doesn't get softer than you want it to, because I was really videoing and all of that, so it came out well though. See you on the next one. Bye.